Hello guys, new tutorial. I'm gonna to show you how to install VLC media player on Ubuntu 24.04. So let's start. First we need to update the system. So let's copy and open a new terminal. After the update, we can start the installation. So it is just one command, sudo apt install VLC and enter, and yes to continue, and waiting for the installation. Okay, the installation is finished. Now we can open VLC. So we need to make a search, and here we see VLC Media Player. And that's all. So now you can start your video, your movie. And that's all. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.